I do continue to believe that there's a path to a soft or softish landing. I do believe that.
And the definition of a softish landing is what? Unemployment goes up a little, but we don't have a recession?
Yeah, unemployment goes up, but it's not a hard landing. It's not a severe recession. You could think of unemployment going up, but not really spiking as it does in some recessions. So that's how I think about it. And I think the path is pretty clear. The labor market conditions soften. We see inflation, and the goods inflation gets better, housing services inflation gets better, and the labor market softens but doesn't go into recession. And you see inflation start to come down. And I mean, I think that's very plausible. I don't want to be the handicapper on it. And of course, our job is to try to achieve that. Mm-hmm. And I think it's still achievable. Although, if you look at the history, it's not a likely outcome. But I would just say this is a different set of circumstances.
Well, you said at the last press conference that you thought the path to that soft landing had narrowed. Has it continued to narrow, or is it widened, or I don't know if you can have a wider soft landing, but
I don't know that it's changed since this is what, 5-6 weeks ago. Yeah. I was asked the question, has it narrowed? Is it still possible? And has it narrowed? It's definitely still possible, and it has narrowed because if you look over the course of this year, nobody expected us to raise rates this much. No one expected inflation to be this strong and this persistent, and this, to have spread so broadly through the economy. And so to the extent we need to keep rates higher or keep them higher longer, that's going to narrow the path to a soft landing. On the other hand, if we get good inflation data and we get evidence that all the things that I talked about, if all those things start to swing the other way, then we could very much achieve this.